Dear children, today I am going to explain the lesson Refraction of Light. Before starting my explanation, I would like you to take your textbook and you can use this tute as it contains links to watch relevant videos. In the textbook, turn to page 119. There you can find the lesson Refraction of Light. You may have observed the instances where this phenomenon occurs. When you place a pencil in a half-filled glass of water, you can see the pencil is bent from the surface of water. When you place a coin in a half-filled water glass and observe it from the top, you will see the coin is raised from its original position. The same thing happens when you observe the bottom of a pond which has clear water. When you observe letters through a glass cube, you can see the letters are raised up from the original position. I mentioned few instances where you experience refraction of light. So my dear children, the definition of refraction is the bending of light rays when entering from one medium to another medium. For an example, when the light rays enter from air to glass, from glass to water. The reason for the refraction is the difference in the speeds of light from one medium to another. You can use the below link to get more facts about refraction of light. Normally, the speed of light in air is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. There you will refer the textbook page 120. There you will see a table which mentions the speed of light in several different media. A medium with a lower speed of light compared to another medium is called a denser medium. When we take air and glass, glass is the denser medium. The medium with the higher speed of light is called rare medium. When we take air and water, air is the rarer medium. In the tute, you can see the diagram which mentions the type of rays with their relevant names and the angles. Refer the textbook, page 121, and define the words given in the tute. You can use the following link to observe the video to get a better idea. Now, look at the given diagram. You can see the light ray comes from denser medium and it enters to the rarer medium. The refracted ray bends away from the normal. The second diagram, the light ray comes from a rarer medium and it enters to the denser medium. The refracted ray bends towards the normal. Now refer the textbook page 122 to understand the lesson well, and you will be able to explain these two diagrams well. Laws of refraction. You can use the below link to get more idea about laws of refraction, and you can refer the textbook page 122 to complete the blank spaces. Total internal reflection and critical angle. Use the following link to learn more about total internal reflection and critical angle. And by using the following link, you can see some applications of total internal reflection. lenses. Lens is an optical device with curved surface made of glass, plastic, or any other transparent material. There are mainly two types of lenses: convex or convex lens as converging lens, and concave lens as diverging lens. Go through the tube to learn more about convex lens. Let's have a look to get an idea about how images form from a convex lens. After watching the video, you can complete the table given in the tube. Here, when you click the link, you will get some tricks where you must keep it in your mind when drawing ray diagrams in convex lens. Here, you can see some applications of convex lenses. Concave lens. By clicking the following link, you can learn more about concave lenses. As the last part of the lesson, hand lens, or we call it simple microscope. By clicking the below link, you can get a better idea about this lesson. So my dear children, to complete the tute, refer your textbook from page 119 to 135. See you again. Till then, stay safe. Bye.